Thomas Alva Edison's name is synonymous with innovation, perseverance, and the birth of modern electrical technology. From his humble beginnings as a telegraph operator to becoming one of history's most prolific inventors, Edison transformed daily life through groundbreaking creations like the practical incandescent light bulb, the phonograph, and early motion picture technology. His story is not just about brilliant ideas, it's about relentless experimentation, business acumen, and an unwavering belief that problems could always be solved with enough effort and ingenuity. Born on February 11, 1847, in Milan, Ohio, Thomas Edison grew up in a family that valued self-reliance and curiosity. His mother, Nancy, a former schoolteacher, homeschooled him after teachers deemed him difficult due to his restless mind and tendency to question everything. Young Edison devoured books, conducted rudimentary experiments, and showed an early fascination with mechanics and chemistry. At age 12, he began selling newspapers and candy on trains, using the opportunity to set up a small chemistry lab in a train car, a precocious display of his entrepreneurial spirit and Hansen curiosity. Edison's first career was in telegraphy, a cutting field in the mid-19th century. After mastering Morse code, he worked as a telegraph operator, often tinkering with equipment to improve its reliability. These early experiences taught him the importance of precision, troubleshooting, and adapting technology to real-world needs. In 1869, at 22 years old, he moved to New York City and patented his first invention, an electric vote recorder designed to speed up legislative balloting. Though it failed commercially, politicians preferred the slower, more controllable manual system. The experience taught him a crucial lesson: invent for market demand, not just technical possibility. The 1870s marked Edison's emergence as a professional inventor. In 1876, he established his famous laboratory in Menlo Park, New Jersey, the world's first industrial research facility dedicated to systematic invention. Here, he assembled a team of skilled machinists, chemists, and engineers, pioneering the concept of collaborative innovation. His first major success came with the phonograph 1877, a device that recorded and played back sound. The invention stunned the public and earned him international fame. In 1878, he turned his attention to electric lighting, a field dominated by inefficient arc lamps and gaslight. His goal: create a safe, affordable, and long-lasting electric light for homes and businesses. The development of the practical incandescent light bulb 1879 was not a single eureka moment, but a grueling process of trial and error. Edison and his team tested thousands of materials for the filament, including bamboo, platinum, and carbonized paper. Their breakthrough came with a carbonized cotton thread that burned steadily for over 13 hours. This achievement was only part of a larger system. Edison also designed generators, wiring, switches, and meters to create the first complete electric power distribution network. In 1882, his Pearl Street station in New York City became the world's first commercial power plant, lighting 85 buildings with direct current DC. Edison's entrepreneurial drive extended beyond invention. He founded Edison General Electric, later merged to become General Electric, building a corporate empire around electrical infrastructure. He pioneered early motion picture technology with the kinetoscope 1891, a precursor to modern cinema. His work on batteries powered early electric vehicles and submarines. He developed the carbon microphone, improving telephone transmission. Despite his successes, Edison faced fierce competition and criticism. The War of the Currents with George Westinghouse and Nikola Tesla over alternating current AC versus direct current DC dominated the 1880s and 1890s. While Edison championed DC, AC ultimately prevailed for long-distance power transmission due to its efficiency. Some rivals accused him of prioritizing publicity over scientific rigor, though his methods, iterative testing, and practical application were revolutionary for their time. His treatment of employees was sometimes harsh. He demanded long hours and intense focus. Believing that genius is 1% inspiration and 99% perspiration, his personal life reflected his work ethic. He married Mary Stilwell in 1871. She died in 1884. They had 3 children. In 1886, he wed Minna Miller, with whom he had 3 more children. Despite his fame, he remained handsome in his labs well into his later years, often sleeping on a cot in his workshop during intense projects. Key milestones in his legacy: over 1,000 patents worldwide, though many were co-invented or improved by his team. Electrification of cities, transforming nightlife, industry, and safety. Foundations of modern entertainment: phonograph, kinetoscope. Establishment of the Industrial Research Lab model. Induction into the National Inventors Hall of Fame. Challenges he overcame: hearing loss, largely deaf by adulthood that forced him to rely on written communication, and acute observation. Early business failures that taught him market lessons. Financial struggles during the development of the light bulb. Public and professional skepticism about electric lighting's viability. Today, Edison's impact endures. Electric lighting remains fundamental to modern life. His approach to innovation, teamwork, prototyping, and market alignment shapes R&D practices globally. The term Edison is synonymous with creativity and problem-solving. His Menlo Park lab is preserved as a historic site, inspiring future inventors. Edison passed away on October 18, 1931, at age 84, leaving behind a world irrevocably changed by his work. His life demonstrates that invention is not just about brilliance, it's about persistence, collaboration, and the courage to fail repeatedly in pursuit of a better future. Whether admired for his genius or critiqued for his methods, Thomas Edison remains a towering figure in the history of technology, a testament to what human ingenuity can achieve when fueled by relentless determination.